y'all, this is Todd at NC Solar Electric, and I'm here to tell you about my own DIY solar project. Here I have the Hoymiles HYS-7.6LV-USG1 7.68 kilowatts, and I have 20.4 kilowatt hours of battery from Soluna. And over here I have a brand new HYS 7.6LV USG1 that I'm going to hook up right next to it. And before I do that and get two of them on here, I'm going to show you a load test with this inverter charging my Tesla from the batteries. But right now my batteries aren't quite full yet, so we'll get back to that. So outside, this is my existing utility meter. What I'm doing is I'm replacing this utility meter with one that has a load panel down here with my solar breakers in it. So I have a main breaker and two load breakers to carry my solar over to the HYS inverters. So there'd be two 80 amp breakers in here. Then these main wires coming through the wall here from outside and come to my main breaker in my panel. They go away, this breaker goes away, and the rest of this becomes my essential load sub panel, and thereby doing a whole home backup without moving all of these circuits. All right, this is the current load on the inverter running on battery. And you can see I have the 60 amp breaker feeding it. It should be an 80 amp. Have the 60 amp breaker feeding it turned off, and power is being supplied to my old critical loads panel. All right, I just turned on my Tesla charger. See, it's charging over there. And we're charging from my batteries at 27.6 amps. I want to raise this up until it's 32 amps. Hold on. All right. Close as I can get, 31.7 amps. That's full load. So I'm running full load from my inverter and charging my Tesla. Let's go take a look at the inverter. Over here at the inverter, my batteries are about 70-75% charged. And you hear the cars going by. You hear any inverter? I don't hear nothing. Not even a hum. I don't hear anything. So my Soluna batteries are here, getting there. The car's charging. It's all good.